Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this episode, we are going to be learning how to change email address on Honeydue. To change your email on Honeydue is a straightforward process, so let's dive into the video. First of all, open the Honeydue application from your app drawer and also make sure to sign in to your account. Once you're inside the main activity page of Honeydue, tap on the More button at the bottom right-hand corner. In the expanded menu, tap on Settings. Once you open up the Settings menu, simply go ahead and tap on My Account at the top. Click on the Email option. Now, tap on Change Email option and type in a new email address you are willing to change to, and finally tap Save at the top right corner. You will now receive a confirmation email sent to your new email inbox. Open up your email inbox on a computer or simply open it up on your current device. Now, soon after you go open up your email inbox, you will then receive a confirmation email where you need to click on Confirm My Email, and you will be able to change your email address on Honeydue. So that is how it's easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.